The defendant apologized to every victim in court. But just seconds later, the judge pointed out one contradiction that changed the entire hearing.
That gave all of that money to whoever is making the headstones. According to these charges, you took money for headstones, didn't pay for any headstones. You just took the money. Is calling 2025 CR 005594 State versus Elena Marino. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Frederick A. Hicks for the defense.
And are you Miss Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you entered a plea. You're going open to the court. The charge is theft of property, $30,000 to $150,000. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. You entered a plea of guilty on December 9th, and it was reset for PSI and for you to provide restitution. So, counsel, has all restitution been paid?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Any objections to the PSI report, state or defense?
None, Your Honor.
None from the state, Your Honor.
Any objections to the court reviewing the PSI report?
No.
None, Your Honor.
All right. State, do you have any witnesses?
Yes, Judge, we have a few.
All right, you may proceed.
State calls Norma Cifuentes.
All right. And if you have your counsel, you can remain here, but if your client will step there. Off the record for a moment. You're calling your witness?
Yes, Judge. Hello, Miss Cifuentes.
After hearing from both parents and reviewing the evidence, the judge reached a conclusion. What followed wasn't just a sentence. It was a powerful message about parenting, responsibility, and broken
That's why I
trust.
went over there.
I'm sorry, you said she did them how?
She referred me to angelic monuments.
Okay.
Mhm. That's how I found out about this.
Okay, and then can you please tell the court why you sought out Miss Moreno Sanchez's business?
Because I thought it would, she did a good package deal for her and recommended all this and did that for her. And nothing like that came out of that for me.
Okay, so your stone was never delivered, is that correct?
My stone was never delivered. What was delivered by Miss Moreno was pain, agony, torture for me, my family, and the loss of my husband. We have suffered quite a bit, and she has put us through nothing but hell till now. And I want closure on this. I can't seem to go on because I have this over me. My kids are drained by the loss of their father already. And it pains me because I know that if I would have done that to her, she would probably see me, on death row. I don't know. But all I know is that I want justice to be taken care of. I'm not perfect. I'm not saying she's perfect. No one's perfect. But I am saying this. She does not deserve probation. She is not going to free me of my pain, what we have gone through, the trauma. I think I'm going to face her if it's okay if I may. I would like to let her know how I feel, the kind of character I have portrayed about her. She is malicious, vicious. She's a disgrace to the human race. I know that I could not live with myself. I don't know how she's lived with herself right now, having all of this, hurting people. They've already lost a loved one, but to come and no shame and just to do this to not one, but many, and still there's many out there, I believe. And now
This testimony explains why the case became so emotional. The court wasn't just deciding a criminal charge. It was hearing from families who said they had been deeply affected.
will she do that to them? And they have good reviews. And here again, what can I say? Is this going to continue? But I know that the pain that I've lived and my kids have lived, I'm only here, Your Honor, for respect of my lost one. I was married to my husband 43 years, and I lost him. I didn't expect this. I lost a lot of money, but her lies was one lie after another. Her promises are